Hello guys. So, if you're looking to recover your Gmail address, if you have lost your phone number or the recovery informations, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place because today I'm going to tell you how you can do that. So, the straight and simple answer is you can. So, if you have lost everything that is related to the recovery of your Gmail account, like your phone number, your recovery device, your authenticator app, or your phone number or your recovery email address. So, if you have lost access to all of them, it is pretty sure that you will not be able to recover your email address because when you create a Gmail account, Gmail offers you a whole lot of recovery options over here in the security panel. So as you can see, so it is necessary for you to up to date your recovery options whenever you change your phone number or change your email address. You can also create security keys and authenticators or backup verifications if you are unsure that you will not be able to keep the recovery numbers or emails secure. So to prevent this to happen, you can keep a security key, an authenticator app, or a backup two-step verification or a backup code. So if you have any of these, a phone number, a recovery phone number, a recovery email, a two-step verification phone. So if you have any one of these, you will be able to recover your Gmail address. But for some reason, if you have not set up your recovery option and you have lost access to the only phone number that was linked, so sorry, you will not be able to recover your email address. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like and subscribe to my channel. And take care.